At the University of Sunderland, we are deeply committed to working with organisations to drive educational, economic, societal and environmental benefits at both regional and national levels. This commitment underpins our approach to Knowledge Transfer Partnerships, or KTPs, which serve as an exceptional bridge between academia and industry. KTPs offer an incredible opportunity for businesses to access our universities' cutting-edge facilities, world-class knowledge, transformative technology and outstanding talent. We are thrilled to showcase our diverse range of expertise and collaboration opportunities with you today. From artificial intelligence and AR/VR to Industry 4.0, advanced materials, pharmaceutical sciences, medical sciences, social sciences and creative arts. Our capabilities span a broad spectrum of industries. These strengths are further enhanced by cross-institutional collaborations that enable us to deliver even greater impact.
The idea of a KTP is that the business requires some innovative work to be done and they need academic expertise and input to enable them to complete that project. So they're an excellent opportunity for academics to get involved, working with industry, understand what we do in terms of how we work with industry, but they're an excellent way for business to actually be able to move forward how they work as a business and allow them to develop some novel solution that will allow them to go forward.
Normally, when we're doing research, we're just without any context. So the KTP exposes us to a really good context to the industry challenges.
Benefits of the KTP are already very obvious to our business. Prior to the KTP, we were lucky to get 20% of our orders that we could formulate in advance, because usually we could only find a shelf life of 30 days, whereas now, making 50% of your orders ahead in anticipation of orders because of the increased shelf life has given us far greater capacity in our production. I think it's certainly worth having those discussions with the university to see whether it could qualify for a KTP.
So my current role is lead data and digital developer at Muckle. I'm responsible for the development of Muckle Collect. I lead the development of our Android and iOS apps. I also mentor our 2 data analyst apprentices. So for the KTP, we were tasked with developing an intelligent data analytics platform, which we were initially going to use in debt recovery, as that's a very process-driven area of law. But we're also going to use the blueprint for that in other areas of the company. The personal development opportunities were really good. I managed to attend some data science conferences in Amsterdam and around the country to keep up to date with data science developments. And I was also able to attend an intensive boot camp in Toronto where I improved my data science skills.
Team Fostering, our purpose as an agency is to recruit foster carers. When we think about AI, bringing it safely within Team Fostering, it's with the purpose of finding more effective, streamlined ways of working.
We recently get awarded one KTP project funded by Innovative UK, collaborating with Team Fostering based in Newcastle. So in this project, we are trying to help them to automate the process to automatically taking the notes and filling those forms, analyzing the text automatically. We can schedule the future meetings, forms they need to fill in, so to help and assist the carers.
The implications for recruitment and retention in a sector which is suffering at the moment is huge, but ultimately all of that then impacts on much improved outcomes for our children and young people, because they have access to a team around them who is better able to be there and present.
Our KTP project aims to develop an XR-based system for learning and training programs for engineering and manufacturing sector.
They currently do only face-to-face teaching. The solution we're embedding in that is allowing the organisation to go down a new route of embedding virtual learning and being able to release a product which can be used around the world.
We have learners coming from London or even coming from different countries. However, it is difficult in terms of the travel and the cost for them.
So they're not only just educating apprentices within the region, but also being able to reach out within the world.
If we get our system set up, those people would be able to access the training they want, where they couldn't access in their area, and produce some financial saving in those people's lives.
So I would very much recommend that businesses take part in a KTP. Every organisation that I've worked with on a KTP has realised that they were not able to take their business forward until they got that knowledge transfer, whether it be from academics in one subject area or the experience recently in working with KTPs is they need that experience of multiple subject areas. So it's really showing that company what benefits they can get, how they can move forward from that academic input.
We are excited about the opportunities ahead and look forward to working together to achieve meaningful and lasting outcomes for businesses and communities alike.